Hey, Lawn Dude Abides here with a quick tip on mower blade sharpening. As the spring season ramps up, mowing is very common. You know, your fertilizer is going to make your grass grow, and you're going to have to mow at least once a week. In this case, we got a perfectly healthy lawn here, but it has a yellow hint on top, hue on top, which is due to a dull mower blade. If you look, you can kind of see how yellow it is. You want to get your blades, you want to keep your blades sharpened, and you definitely want to call your mowing company. If you see this yellow hue on top, that means they are not sharpening their blades and they need to get on it. For blade sharpening, if you're in the central Indiana area, definitely call the greenskeeper. We sharpen blades. We do mower services, maintenance, change air filters, spark plugs, oil change, all that good stuff. Give us a call at 317-804-8877.